If you think it's gonna be a big drop because some TV dude said so, or maybe it's a textbook been around for 100 years, written by some PhD who was really never here, who will take you for a ride, who will steal your time and life. Systems that you can trust. There's a hero for you. Maybe it's a market guru, a trader with a fancy car. They're just a TikTok scammer who will rob you blind. But portfolio boss, now there's a hero for you. He's the villain that you need in your life. Perfect execution every time. The portfolio boss comes through. Machine learning systems that you can trust, automated for you. Retire from a 9 to 5. You don't need another job in your life. We have it all done. There's no need to run to a new con man who's number one. It's automated for you. It's automated for you.